In the middle of this huge AI gold rush, new platforms are popping up left and right, and they're all promising to turn your curiosity into some serious cash. One name that's making a ton of noise right now is Tixu AI. So let's dive in and figure out what's really going on behind all the marketing.
This is the headline that's getting everybody's attention. I mean, come on, that is a bold promise. It's the kind of claim that makes you stop and wonder if you're looking at a life-changing opportunity.
Or if it's just really, really clever marketing. And that, right there, is the only question that matters. So today, we're going to put Tixu AI under the microscope and separate the actual facts from the hype.
Okay, so, to kick things off, let's go straight to the source, real users. Because, let's be honest, in today's world, the truth almost always comes out in reviews and on forums.
First stop is Trustpilot, a place known for some pretty brutally honest reviews. Tixu is showing off a 4.8-star rating, and yep, we checked, it holds up. And let me tell you, a score this high isn't just good, it is exceptionally difficult to maintain. That is a massive green flag right out of the gate.
So why the amazing score? Well, as you dig into the reviews, a pretty clear pattern starts to emerge. People consistently praise how practical it is. They're not just saying, oh, I learned something cool. They're genuinely excited about what they were able to build. It really seems to click with people who felt totally lost in all the AI chaos and found Tixu's structure to be like a lifeline.
But of course, we had to check Reddit, the internet's ultimate truth serum. And the vibe there is a little more, well, down to earth. The general feeling is that Tixu is a fantastic way to get organized and stay on track, especially if you're a beginner. This quote just sums it up perfectly. It's not some magic money printing machine. It's a tool that takes information that's already out there and packages it into a structured, motivational challenge.
Okay, so the social proof looks pretty strong. But what about the hard numbers? Let's switch gears and look at the data. Does the opportunity Tixu is selling actually exist out there in the real world?
Well, according to a white paper that analyzed over 5,000 job postings, there is what they call a quantifiable AI premium. What that means is professionals with real applied AI skills can command a salary that's 18 to 22% higher. For someone mid-career, that's almost a $30,000 difference. So the key takeaway here is, yes, the financial reason to learn these skills is very, very real.
But which skills give you the biggest bang for your buck? This table breaks it down. And it's not just about writing a few basic prompts. The real money is in these high-level skills, like agentic system design. Think of that as building an AI that can basically be its own project manager, planning and executing tasks all by itself, and mastering APIs. Tixu claims its entire curriculum is built around these high-value skills. And this is how they say they teach them. It all starts with a quiz that creates a personalized learning plan just for you. Then you dive into these project-based courses using their suite of over 15 built-in AI tools. But that last step, from practice to paid, that's the really important one. This is where they say they teach you how to actually monetize your new skills, how to find clients, how to price your services, bridging that huge gap between just learning something and actually earning from it. So when you run Tixu through a kind of scam detector checklist, it does really, really well. You've got a 30-day money-back guarantee, solid social proof you can verify yourself, a real tangible product with all those tools, and a clear, transparent process. I mean, these are all signs of a totally legitimate business. Case closed, right? Well, not quite.
Because a good investigation always looks at the counter-evidence. And while Tixu definitely doesn't seem to be a scam, there are some real risks and red flags we have to consider.
So check this out. This is the trust score given to Tixu's website by the cybersecurity firm Griddensoft. A shockingly low 39 out of 100. They actually classify the site as suspicious, pointing to weak trust signals and noting that the domain has been blacklisted by their own internal security tools. This definitely creates some tension in our analysis.
So why the low score? Well, beyond the technical stuff, there are other risks. First off, that $2,000 income claim, you've got to see that as a best-case scenario for someone who's super motivated. This is not passive income. It's going to require serious work. We also found a few user complaints about billing and having trouble accessing their accounts after they paid. And finally, there's a noticeable lack of public info about who actually owns or runs the company.
All right, so on one hand, we've got really strong, positive social proof, but on the other, we have some pretty concerning red flags. So how do we put all this together to come to a clear final conclusion? After weighing all the evidence, here's our verdict. Tixu AI is not a scam. It's a legitimate educational platform with a real product. But it's also a young company with some really ambitious marketing and some clear operational and transparency issues that it needs to work on.
So the real question is deciding if it's right for you. You should probably consider Tixu if you're a freelancer or just a motivated self-starter who feels overwhelmed and wants a structured step-by-step path to learn AI skills that you can actually sell. On the flip side, you should probably avoid it if you're looking for some kind of passive magic button way to make money, or if you're already an advanced AI developer who just needs raw access to APIs.
At the end of the day, it seems like Tixu AI is a launchpad, not a magic carpet. It gives you the map and the car, but you still have to be the one to get in the driver's seat and do the driving. The opportunity to cash in on the AI boom is absolutely real, but this platform isn't going to do the work for you. So the only question left is, are you ready to put in the effort?